Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain 7 reasons why you might encounter the localhost not found error and how to fix each one. Let's dive in. Reason 1. Let's start with the first reason. XAMPP is not running. If your XAMPP is not running, you won't be able to visit your site's file. As you can see here, the problem is that I didn't run XAMPP. Here is my XAMPP control panel and it's not running. Now I am starting it. Make sure your XAMPP server is running before visiting your site. Reason 2. Incorrect URL. Let's move on to the second issue. This problem mainly occurs when you make a mistake with your URL or you are not running the correct folder. You can see here that I visited a folder that does not exist in XAMPP, which is why we see this error. Let's open the XAMPP folder and find the correct folder. Here we can see the correct folder is my store. So let's try visiting the correct folder. It is working perfectly. Reason 3. Project file not in the correct directory. Let's try to solve this issue. This issue occurs when your project file are not in the correct directory. So our file directory should be XAMPP/htdocs. Make sure your files are in this directory. Port conflict. Let's move on the fourth issue. Port conflict can also causes this problem. By default, Apache user port 80. If another application is running using this port, you will need to change it. For changing this port, we have to open XAMPP control panel. So I am opening it now. Click config next to Apache. Then service and port setting. We can see here our port is 80, so we have to change it. So I am changing the 80 to 8080 and then save it. And restart Apache. So then access your site with localhost 8080 port. Reason 5. Let's discuss the fifth issue. Sometimes a firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Apache, preventing it from running properly. Firewalls or antivirus programs are designed to protect your computer from unauthorized access, potential threats. They can sometimes mistakenly identify Apache as a potential risk and blocking its network access. First, let's try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software to see if this resolves the issue. Reason 6. Host file misconfiguration. Let's try to solve this issue. Another possible case for the localhost not found error is a misconfigured host file. The host file maps host names to IP address. If it does not correctly map localhost to 127.0.0.1, you will encounter problems accessing your local server. First, let's locate the host file. Open your Windows Explorer and navigation to Windows, then System32, then drivers, then etc. So we can see here the host file. Open the host file with a code editor. Remove the hash before 127.0.1 localhost. Then save the file. Reason 7. Corrupted gem installation. Finally, let's address the 7th issue. If none of these solutions work, you might have a corrupted gem installation. Uninstall and reinstall gem to fix any underlying issues. These are the most common reasons for the localhost not found error and how to fix them. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching.